Hello, ladies and gentlemen, friends and investors around the world. My name is Ogedebe Solomon, and right here I'm in front of Oyin Luxury Homes, the two-unit apartment semi-detached property. For as many of you that need a two-bedroom apartment for your family, for your loved ones, this is the best property for you. It's affordable. At this moment, this property is going for 8 million. I mean, no other hidden charges. There is no documentation, no developer fee. All the fee is all inclusive. This particular property, you can see, is almost at its roofing stage, and the place is habitable already. Already, road network is done, fenced. You can see this property is all ensuite. I mean, you have 2 bedrooms, you have 3 toilets, and you have parking space for 2 cars. I mean, and there is lights, I mean electricity, and in this particular environment is full of nature. For lovers of nature, for people that need to stay in a place where you are free from the noise and bustle of Lagos, this is property to locate.